Hi guys, we are a group of three. Myself, Tarun Jaisingani, and my other group members are Malkeet Singh and Pavidan Singh. So we are here for the iTech 7400 team poster presentation, and our selected topic is related to a company called Infosys. So yeah, let's get started. So as we all know, Infosys is a multinational IT company and they do also outsource services. So importance of systematic service management strategies has become very essential for the organizations which are engaged in the service sector, especially in relation to IT services and management. Companies, it is needed to manage the business situations by following systematic ITSM service management strategies and also to perform the research analysis of the business and ITSM practices of Infosys, the internal business activities, theoretical ITSM concepts and models, and relevant ITSM strategies to improve the business outcome of the organization are considered. Specifically, the focus is plotted on the three areas, including the briefing the service lifecycle, the process and functions of Infosys, and relevant measurement criteria and performance metrics to ensure sustainable business outcomes at Infosys. Application of ITSM and Infosys. Understanding the ITSM requirements of the customers, delivering quality Understanding the ITSM requirements of the customers and delivering quality values and its services to them. Developing the quality of services by emphasizing continuous research and development activities can help to improve ITSM services in Infosys. Infosys is needed to align systematic governance and corporate policies, adoption of the latest technology tools, and development of design measurement systems with the existing service activities to improve the service outcome. The service transition at Infosys could be developed by emphasizing service evaluation, service validation, service testing, service change management, service transition planning, release and deployment management, knowledge management, and service assets and configuration management practices. Next slide will be conducted by Malkeet Singh.
Hi, this is Malkeet Singh. Now I'm talk about the application of ITSM in Infosys. To ensure smooth functioning of the operation, it is needed to emphasize four operational strategy at Infosys, including stability versus responsiveness strategy, internal IT view versus external business view strategy, and reactive versus proactive strategy, and cost of service versus quality of service strategy. And to ensure effective CSI of the ITSM activities at Infosys, it is needed to follow six approaches, including documentation of improvement technique, utilizing appropriate performance metrics, maintaining momentum to bring future improvement opportunities, establishing baseline to manage situations, clarifying the vision of the ITSM service, and redefining the vision by considering the changing service needs of the customers. Next, this is this showing the process of continual process improvement in which three steps: service design, service transition, and service operation. To improve the ITSM service process at Infosys, it is needed to optimize the relationship with the customer by meeting the expectation of the customer. And Infosys could follow six stages ITSM process, including initiation of the service design, developing requirement and strategy, developing business continuity strategy, developing business continuity plans, implementation of the continuity plans, and invocation of the service objective, in which seven-step improvement strategy follow a systematic process by following which one organization could ensure sustainable ITSM outcome. Next part talk about the Parvinder Singh.
Thank you, Malkeet. Now myself, Parvinder Singh, will explain the further applications and conclude this topic. Uh, the further applications are to measure the service processes and activities at emphasis. Four areas are needed to emphasize, including the reason behind the consideration of monitoring and measurement decision, deciding about the ending of the monitoring and measurement activities, checking the duplicity or misuse of the data at the organization. And next is to evaluate the performance of the ITSM services activities. In it is needed to emphasize various metric at enforces so that future improvement possibilities could be ensured. Next slide, please. The next application is to ensure a sustainable ITSM outcome. The deeming cycle is needed to follow at Infosys that carry four continuous stages, which includes first plan, then do, act, and last is to check the all the process and redo the process. The next application is the operations manager of the operational unit at Infosys need to follow the deeming cycle till the ITSM and business objectives are not achieved. Next slide. And the conclusion of our topic is that though the most of the exciting ITSM activities of Infosys are systematic and strategic, still to ensure sustainable ITSM outcomes, it is needed to follow the detailed strategies in the research. The major focus of emphasis needed to be plotted on developing the services life cycle by improving the service design, service transition, and service operation strategies. And the last is the detailed ITSM service measurement criteria and performance evaluation metrics are needed to consider while expecting a positive CSI outcomes at Infosys. Next slide. This slide includes the references from the where we have collected all the data to prepare for this topic. Thank you.